Hi, my name is Tatva and I'm 13 years old and I've been at Young Thinker Academy for around 3 months now. In Young Thinker Academy, I've learned so many different things. Let me share them with you. One of them is the traffic light. Traffic light helps to maintain road safety and protects the lives of pedestrians and motorists. We at the YTA have replicated traffic lights using light bulbs, wires, Arduino Uno circuit, DC adapters. After connecting all the wires correctly and uploading the codes, the traffic light works. The different lights work at different times. Amazing how such a simple thing helps maintain order in such busy roads. I have also learned about how to make a Bluetooth operated car. In this, we use a Bluetooth module, wires, Arduino Uno circuit, wheels, DC adapter, gear motor, and most importantly, a motor driver. Once everything is connected, I can make a working Bluetooth car all on my own. I can connect the car using my handphone as well. Lastly, I am currently learning how to make a black line following car. In this, we use an IR sensor, an Arduino circuit, wires, DC adapter, motor driver, and gear motors and wheels. The black lining car can follow black lines because of the IR sensor. The IR sensor can detect the color black, and it starts to follow the lines. After this, I look at the world from a different view and perspective, and I understand the roles of technology and that it plays in our lives. Thank you a lot for your time.